If you aim to bring a touch of sweetness to your celebrations with custom cake toppers, the EP-Sugar-MRK Cake Topper Printer is here for the job. When it comes to edible image printing for cake decorations, this printer stands out with its unique capabilities. In today's world of customized confections, this printer adds a personalized flair to your baked goods. Discover how EP-Sugar-MRK transforms ordinary cakes into extraordinary works of art, offering a delightful blend of creativity and deliciousness. The EP-Sugar-MRK Cake Topper Printer is an advanced all-in-one printer specifically designed for the creative world of cake decorating. It comes equipped with a set of 5 specially formulated cake ink cartridges, ensuring that your edible designs are vibrant and true to your artistic vision. Further, the package includes 12 sheets of sugar frosting paper, providing a delectable and visually stunning canvas for your culinary masterpieces. Adding a personal touch to your creations is made easy with the set of 5 edible color markers included, allowing you to customize and enhance your designs with precision. The EP-Sugar-MRK Cake Topper Printer not only prioritizes creativity but also emphasizes hygiene. It comes with an edible printhead cleaning kit, ensuring the longevity and quality of your prints. With its compact and efficient design, it is perfect for small to medium-sized projects and boasts a maximum input sheet capacity of 12. The dimensions of 20 by 20 by 10 inches strike the perfect balance between functionality and space saving, while its weight of 23 pounds makes it a robust addition to any cake decorator's toolkit. The EP-Sugar-MRK Cake Topper Printer revolutionizes cake decoration, offering a perfect blend of precision and ease. This innovative printer transforms the way pastry chefs create edible images for cakes, seamlessly integrating technology and creativity. With its tailored design, it reshapes the landscape of cake crafting, providing a seamless and delightful experience for professionals. If you want to purchase this printer, click on the link in the description box below to make a purchase.